Good morning. I wanted to do a little pre-market prep. So previously, we swept these equal lows that I was saying I wanted to hit in previous videos. So with us sweeping these equal lows, now I want to see, can we get some type of bullish continuation to go higher? But one thing that I do know is NVDA has earnings after market today. So that can affect the market. And when you have events like that, you don't want to rush and do anything. You want to kind of sit on your hands. I know a lot of people have trouble with doing that. They think you're supposed to be in the market 24/7, chasing move after move. But really, it's sometimes you just want to wait for more information. And NVIDIA earnings will be a big catalyst for the market and can either push it higher or push it lower. So really, that's what I'm waiting on to see. Because if you see now, you can see accumulation forming here. If I make a box over this, you can see we're just consolidating right here. And that's due to NVIDIA earnings coming. Like people don't really know what to do, or people are just waiting because when news come out, then we'll see if we get a big spike or do we drop lower. And if we do, if we do decide to drop lower, this is a level I could see us hitting right here because this is our next level of liquidity. And if we decide to go higher, I want to mark out my liquidity. Then I like doing this on the 4 hour or the hourly, but you see we have liquidity here. We have some liquidity here. And if the catalyst comes out to be bullish and it pumps the market up, then I will start positioning myself in swing trades and other positions to catch us back to all-time highs. So right now, I'm just sitting on my hands and waiting. Sometimes that's what you have to do when it comes to the market. Like don't come to the market every day thinking you need to execute every day because sometimes you'll have candles like this consolidation that'll chop you up and it'll drive you crazy. You want to save your capital for days of expansion where you can catch moves where we like when we tap into a gap here and then we distribute lower. You want to catch these type of moves. You don't want to be dealing with this consolidation. So right now, pretty much I'm waiting. I'm waiting right now. And I want to see some more bullish structure put in order to take some trades. Like I want to see these type of levels taken out. Like if we can get market structure shifts over these levels, then I will be bullish if we can get something like this. If we can go up, tap back into here, and then we could try and find us something back to all-time highs. But again, as I say, right now is just a time of being patient and letting things play out. I like to call it read and react. I like to let what's going to happen first. That way I don't have to guess. I like to either be clearly bullish or I like to be clearly bearish. If I can form trades to both sides, then that means I can't form a high probability trade and the success of my trade going in my favor decreases. If you do want to be trading in these type of conditions when we're waiting on big news catalysts, make sure you size down tremendously. But I just wanted to do this pre-market prep so people can understand and see what I'm thinking and how I'm approaching this NVIDIA earnings that's coming up that can be a super huge catalyst for the market.